Okay, good evening, students. Today I'm going to teach you frog method for the Edexcel grade 5 students. Right, it's quite easy method, right? As you can see, right? Let's take small example for you. Let's see 813 minus 742. This is normal subtraction. But in case if they says you if they ask you to do this question by using the frog method, what is the first step? Let's see. The step one is right as you can see, right? The 742 is the smallest one. The 830 is a big number. Always select the small number first. This is the small number, right? This is the big right number. So what is the first step? Go to the small number in the number line, right? Go to the small number in the number line. So I have written the small number over here, right? In your extreme left hand side, right? Go to the right. The given the big number, the big value in the right hand side. So this is the big value. This is the big value, right? I have written here. Then what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to, in between that, I'm going to write what you call write the balance numbers in order to solve the question easily. So you can see, right, 742, right? What is the next, right? The closest, right? The tens value here, 742. The closest, the tens value is 750. So, right, you have to add 8, right? When you add 8, right, you can reach 750. Then you can go to, okay, think right from the other side now. From the right hand side, you can think what is the right closest, right? The hundreds value here. Closest 830. What is the closest hundreds here? 800. Can I take 900? No. You can't take 900 because why? We have to go to backward now. That's why I haven't selected the 900. So come to the 800. So in order to come to the 800, right now I have stopped somewhere here 750. So in order to reach right 800 from 750, right, what is the amount that I have to add? So if you add another 50 value, you can reach to 800. So students, right, if you find it difficult sometimes, because if you find it difficult, right, what is the difference between right these two, right? You can simply right subtract, take 800 and subtract right 750. 0 minus 0, 0, right? You are going to take 1 from here. 10 minus 5, 5 is 0. So in case if you get stuck, what you have to do is just simply write subtract and write it here. But I believe, right, you can easily, right, check the gap between 750 to the 800, right? That value is 50. Therefore, right, after reaching this, right, 800 to 813, what is the gap in this, right, between in these two numbers? That number value is 30. So finally, what I'm going to do is right now I have finished my work. I have selected the smallest one. I have right selected the big one. In between, I have done my homework. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these these gaps all together and get the final answer. So what is the final answer? 8 plus 50 plus 30. Right? Right. This is 11. 1 remain. 1 plus 5, 6. Right? Right, 1 plus 6 plus 1, 771 altogether. You got to say, okay, my final value is right 71. So this is easy, right? So this is the way that you have to understand the frog method, student. Am I clear?